Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I don't share a DIY with you, so here we go. I had this mirror and honestly it got old, so I decided to refresh it into this. I have been changing my home decor little by little from dark to light, and silver is on my mind quite a bit. You need to make sure to use some of this tape around the mirror just so you don't get spray paint on it. Today I will be using this spray paint in the color silver. I bought it at Lowe's, and we actually used a towel. You can also use newspapers just to cover up the mirror to make sure it doesn't get dirty, because it is a pain to clean it off, the paint or the spray paint sticks on it pretty good. So this is a crucial step. We actually did 2 coats. My husband helping me out here. He's such a sweetheart. I love him to death. Anyways, so back to the video. I'm gonna go ahead and he is going to put two coats on the mirror just to make sure that everything is covered up, because it is a dark color. And then I will be using 4 packs of these spoons from Dollar Tree, and practically I'm just gonna go ahead and break off the tail of each of the spoons, and I'm gonna end up just with this part. And this is when you get inspired and you do whatever you like to do with the design. I decided just to do kind of a zigzag type of design, and I played with it a little bit. This is just what I liked most. So once I had everything mapped out, to stick them in place I will be using some glue sticks, and also I will be using these stickers that I also found at Dollar Tree. I will be removing the actual tape of the mirror just so my vision gets on the right spot, because for some reason I wasn't really liking the design, but once I removed that tape off the mirror, it changed it totally in my mind. Anyhow, so this is the part that was very tedious. I suggest that if you don't have patience, you should do it maybe one day one side, the next day the other, or whatnot. I do have patience sometimes, and I decided just to go ahead and work on the mirror, everything on the same day. You can also use E6000 if you don't want the design to go anywhere. For me, since I will be hanging it on the wall and no one should be touching it, I think just with some hot glue it will be just fine. Right after you're done with that, of course, you need to wipe it, clean it, very neat. And here you don't see the stickers yet, because at that point I wasn't sure if I wanted stickers on the mirror or not. But then here they come handy, and you know what? The stickers made a big difference. So I went ahead and just put them on like so. They do have adhesive to them, so I didn't have to use any other type of glue. And yeah, this is the final result. Well, my friends, I hope that you like this video, and I have to tell you, I'm very proud of myself. In person looks so much better than on video, but just get inspired, and whatever you have at home, you can make it new again without spending a ton of money. Like always, I will see you on my next video, and hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.